Hair dryers have become an essential beauty tool for both home and travel use. Modern hair dryers are designed not only to dry hair quickly, but also to protect hair health, using advanced technologies like ionic airflow and temperature control. Many models now include lightweight designs, foldable handles, and professional attachments that make styling easier and more convenient. Whether you have straight, wavy, or curly hair, the right hair dryer can help reduce frizz and improve overall styling results. In this video, we will explore 5 reliable hair dryers that combine powerful performance, portability, and useful styling features. Number 1. CONFU Travel Hair Dryer. The CONFU Ionic Hair Dryer is designed to deliver fast and efficient hair drying while maintaining hair health. Powered by a high-speed motor that reaches up to 21,000 rotations per minute, this dryer produces strong airflow to reduce drying time. It also uses negative ionic technology that helps minimize frizz while keeping hair smoother and shinier after styling. The included diffuser attachment makes it especially useful for people with curly or wavy hair, helping enhance natural texture while distributing airflow evenly. Its lightweight and portable design allows it to be used comfortably at home or packed easily for travel. With professional-level performance and user-friendly features, this dryer supports quick styling and consistent results. Number 2. Slopehill Professional Ionic Travel Hair Dryer. The Slopehill Professional Ionic Hair Dryer is built to provide powerful drying performance with salon-quality results. Equipped with a strong 1,800-watt motor, it generates high airflow that helps dry hair quickly while maintaining consistent heat levels. Ionic technology helps reduce frizz and static, leaving hair smoother and easier to manage after styling. The dryer includes 2 concentrator nozzles and 1 diffuser attachment, allowing users to adjust airflow for different hair types and styling needs. Its low-noise design helps maintain a more comfortable experience during use. The durable construction, combined with its ergonomic design, makes it suitable for daily home styling as well as professional salon environments. Number 3. MESHEEN Travel Hair Dryer. The MESHEEN 150,000 revolutions per minute ionic hair dryer offers extremely fast drying performance thanks to its high-speed motor capable of reaching up to 150,000 rotations per minute. This powerful airflow helps reduce drying time significantly while maintaining gentle heat levels that protect hair from excessive damage. The dryer features ionic technology that releases negative ions to reduce frizz and improve shine. Its foldable and compact design makes it convenient for travel, allowing users to easily pack it in luggage or backpacks. The included diffuser and styling nozzle provide flexibility for different hairstyles and textures. With its lightweight construction and efficient performance, this dryer is suitable for both home styling and travel. Number 4. Flashbase Travel Hair Dryer. The Flashbase dual-voltage travel hair dryer is designed specifically for travelers who need reliable hairstyling tools on the go. Its dual-voltage support allows it to operate worldwide, making it compatible with both 110 volts and 240 volts electrical systems. Despite its compact size, the dryer provides strong airflow for quick and efficient drying. Ionic technology helps reduce static and frizz while improving hair smoothness. The magnetic diffuser attachment helps distribute airflow evenly, which is especially helpful for curly or textured hair. Lightweight construction makes it easy to carry in travel bags or luggage. This combination of portability and performance makes it a convenient styling companion for frequent travelers. Number 5. Lecomely Travel Hair Dryer. The Lecomely S4AT dual-voltage travel hair dryer is a powerful yet compact hair dryer designed for fast and efficient styling anywhere in the world. Its high-speed motor provides strong airflow that helps dry hair up to 5 times faster compared to many standard dryers. The device also releases millions of negative ions that help reduce frizz and maintain hair smoothness during styling. Weighing less than 1 pound, it is lightweight enough for easy travel while still delivering professional-level performance. Dual voltage compatibility ensures it can be used internationally without complications. With its portable design and efficient drying technology, this hair dryer is a practical option for home and travel use. Product recommendation. When choosing a hair dryer, look for strong airflow, ionic technology, and lightweight construction. These features help reduce drying time while protecting hair from heat damage. A compact design with useful attachments like diffusers and concentrator nozzles can make styling easier and more versatile for different hair types. These were 5 reliable hair dryers designed for fast drying and easy styling. Check the description for more details and subscribe for more helpful beauty and tech product reviews.